So I'm about to go check out Duckfat. It's got a reputation as having some of the best fries you can find anywhere. They are all fried in duck fat, hence the name. So I'm going to go check it out, see how they do it, and report back.
Duckfat, the name comes from our signature fries. Our fries fried in duck fat, which are a crowd pleaser, let's just say that right off the bat. Because your classic Belgian fry was fried in some sort of animal fat. So we chose duck for flavor. I like to think we're in a kind of eclectic sandwich shop. We're at maximum capacity much of the time, but we make it work within this footprint.
The Duckfat fries were amazing. They were salty and really like crispy, but then soft in the middle. They were exactly what you want a French fry to be. And all of the dipping sauces, I would definitely recommend getting the spicy Thai mayo and the truffle ketchup. It was really good. So yeah, that was Duckfat, and it was really good. Definitely worth checking out.